In our journey through life, we often seek ways to improve ourselves to become the best version of who we are. But how do we truly achieve today? We'll explore timeless wisdom from a monk, a guide to becoming your best self, both mentally and spiritual. The first step to becoming your best self is self-awareness. The monk teaches us that we must understand who we are at our core. This means recognizing our strengths, our weaknesses, and the patterns of our thoughts. Spend time in quiet reflection each day. This practice helps you see yourself clearly and without judgment. The second lesson is the power of mindfulness. Just as the monk observes the stream without distraction, we must learn to live in the present moment. When we focus on the here and now, we reduce stress, increase our awareness, and make better decisions. Mindfulness isn't just a practice, it's a way of life. The third step is service to others. True growth comes not just from improving ourselves, but from lifting others up. The monk's life is a testament to the power of compassion and selflessness. By helping others, whether through small acts of kindness or larger efforts, we find a deeper meaning in our own lives. Service is not just a duty, it's a path to fulfillment. When we lift others up, we rise as well. Another vital lesson from the monk is the importance of patience and perseverance. Becoming your best self is not a quick fix, it's a lifelong journey. The monk teaches us that every small step forward, no matter how insignificant it may seem, brings us closer to our goal. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Understand that setbacks are not failures but lessons that guide us toward a better path. Patience allows us to stay committed, and perseverance ensures we keep moving forward, even when the road is tough. Lastly, the monk's teachings remind us of the power of gratitude and humility. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of success, but true contentment comes from appreciating what we already have. The monk's daily practice of gratitude for the simple joys of life, a meal, a conversation, a moment of silence, grounds him in the present and fills his heart with peace. Humility keeps us connected to our true selves and reminds us that we are all on this journey together, learning and growing each day. The journey to becoming your best self is one of self-awareness, mindfulness, service, patience, gratitude, and humility. It's a path that requires dedication, but with the wisdom of these ancient teachings, you can find fulfillment, purpose, and peace. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living a life of meaning and growth.